Hello and welcome to Shop Talk with Dan the Man. In today's video we're going to talk about this. This is Stanley's large piece ratchet set. Stay tuned to find out more. Hello, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dan Shannon. I enjoy woodworking as a hobby and being out in the shop. On this channel, dive deep into my shop as we explore tools and tool reviews, as well as chatting about everything related to woodworking. If this grabs you by the tool belt, please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Hello and welcome to Shop Talk with Dan the Man. In today's video we're going to go over this. This is a Stanley professional grade socket set, and this has some add-ons in it. It's a very large piece set, so it has extras inside other than just the socket set itself, which I recommend if you're going to buy a case to have other products in it, not just the socket itself. So wrenches, hex keys, all that kind of stuff. And this model number is STMT71662. And this is a 183 piece set. And all the information will be on the back. And I'll take a screenshot of that and we'll go over what's in this case and kind of the different features that this product will offer for your shop. So let's dive into the features and the specs on this particular product. Features. Okay, so we're going to open up the case. There's two tabs on the top. You just lift up, two tabs on the side, just lift to the side, and then this whole case opens up. All right, so there's lots in this case to go over, and I have the specs that I'll put up right now. So Stanley's professional grade, 128 pieces. You have 19 half-inch drive sockets, 6 points. You have 20 pieces of 3/8 drive sockets, 6 point. You have 19 1/4 drive socket, 6 point. You have 14 3/8 drive deep socket, 6 points. You have 14 1/4 drive deep socket, 6 points. You have 3 pair head ratchets, 1/2 drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/4 drive. You have 1/2 drive extension bar, 5-inch. You have 1/3/8 drive extension bar, 6-inch. You have 1/4 drive extension bar, 3-inch. 1/4 drive spinner handle. You have 13 torque bit sockets. You have 1/3/8 drive spark plug socket. You have 1/3/8 drive spark plug socket. You have 1/4 drive bit adapter. You have 6 combination wrenches. You have 28 hex keys. You have 40 1/4 drive specialty bits. So as you can tell, there's 183 pieces to this set. Okay, so we just went over what was in this case, and as you can see, this is the black chrome edition. I'll do kind of a video, just kind of show you what this case looks like and what's inside. So a lot of times you can buy really any type of ratchet set, and maybe in the comments below you can put in your favorite ratchet set that you found. This was on a sale around Christmas time, so it was a really good price. And what I like most about this particular set compared to other ones I've had in the past, and don't get me wrong, the other ones have lasted. I actually still have some in my cabinet to use around the shop. But what I like most about this particular set that basically blows the other ones out of the water as far as I'm concerned is this case. Now, a lot of times you'll get a set, whether it's bits, screwdrivers, there's a whole different types of cases you can own for products. And what I like about Stanley's case is everything is locked in. So a lot of times when you have a cheaper version of these cases, I know myself, a lot of times when you're done with your tools, it was kind of a race to close it quick, because a lot of times the individual parts on the inside would just fall together, and then it would be a mess. You have to go around and individually pack them again, and then do the same old kind of trick to try to close it before everything kind of spilled out on the floor. It would just be maddening. Well, with the Stanley case, everything's locked in. Actually, it's kind of hard to get some of the parts out when you need them. They're that well snapped in. And, this speaks for itself. Quality-wise, I do like the dark bits. I find they look really nice cosmetically. Functionality, they're pro grade. So even with the individual ratchets, like when you turn them, it has a very distinct high quality gearing on the inside, and you can definitely tell that compared to other ones I've had in the past. You turn it, and actually I actually stripped one time. I was coming onto a bolt, and the gearing on the inside just kind of like let go. You could say, well, I was too strong for the tool, but I think at the end of the day, there's a certain amount of quality that goes into, and of course it equals out in price. And don't forget, I always say in my shop that it's about budget, and then you look into the tool you need. And for a lot of people, the cheaper sets will do the job, and I've had the cheap set for years, and other than that one issue where I stripped the entire ratchet, it performed well and did exactly what I needed. But this was on sale, so I figured, why not give it a shot and see what the capabilities are. And I'm very impressed with this unit. It even has a button on the back side of the ratchet to pop the socket off when you're done using it. So that's a feature I definitely wasn't used to with the cheaper sets, and I really appreciate on these bigger quality sets. And then back to the case. A lot of times, in the shop, this isn't necessarily a woodworking tool, although there is things you might build, workbenches that have leg bolts, and you have to ratchet the leg bolt in place. So they definitely have their use in the woodworking side. I've used them before, but primarily I use them on my mower, my snow blower, different things that I'm working on fixing, my vehicle, that kind of thing. But I think every shop, big or small, no matter, should have a decent ratchet set. And this kit also comes, like I explained with the list, it has some extras like wrenches, Allen keys, hex bits. It's very, very cool to have all these different pieces in a one kit. And like I said before, they're all in. So you can shake it, you can move it around. These bits aren't going to fall out, the sockets won't fall out. All in all, it's just a premium quality. Leave your comments below. You might have a different brand that you would recommend for other people, other than the Stanley that I'm doing a review for. But yeah, just just great quality. I don't have tons of hours with this yet. I just got it, recently, actually as a gift from my wife's grandfather. So I haven't had much time with this as far as hands-on, but the time that I did have the last week has been very eye-opening for quality. And like I said, I just can't speak highly enough about this case and having everything not fall out. Like, I spent years having everything just fall out on me, and man, what a frustration. So and it's good on the go. So you have it in your shop, you can use it in your shop, and then I can grab it, throw it in my truck, and head over to someone else's place if they need something worked on. So it's multi-purpose. Like I said, there might be other brands out there that have similar quality, similar benchmarks. Wait for a sale like this product goes on sale every so often, so you don't have to buy it right away. Just kind of wait and see. So let's get into some final thoughts. So my final thoughts on this ratchet set with some extras in it. I really appreciate the build quality, the case, which I've said numerous times, the case, and also the fact that Stanley has the lifetime warranty. So as you can see from the front, it will say that it has the Stanley lifetime full warranty. So anything happens to this kit, and you all know that I use rigid products, as you can see behind me, and the warranty is kind of the big thing for me. Quality is there, and then of course the warranty to back it, I think speaks highly of a product and what the developers and the team that have built it, how they see their product line. And they're willing to back it because they realize it's great quality and it's something they can back for years. So thanks for watching today's video, and as always, I just appreciate your support on my channel, and these videos that I do take a long time to do, and I just appreciate the support along the way. And thanks for watching. Just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to click on this video here.